Mercy meaning, pronunciation, mercy, meaning, mercy refers to showing compassion, kindness, or forgiveness, especially when it is not required or expected. It can also mean a lenient or compassionate attitude towards someone who has wronged you. Simple meaning, mercy equals kindness/forgiveness/compassion. Common uses. 1. Mercy noun, compassion or forgiveness shown to someone, especially when they don't deserve it. Example, the judge showed mercy and reduced the sentence. 2. Mercy noun, a kind or compassionate action taken towards someone in need. Example, the charity's work is based on the mercy they show to the less fortunate. 3. Mercy noun, religious context, divine compassion or forgiveness, often shown by God. Example, they prayed for mercy and forgiveness. 4. Mercy noun, figurative. A state of being at the mercy of someone or something means being in their control or power. Example, the soldiers were at the mercy of the enemy forces. Examples daily used sentences. 1. He begged for mercy after making a mistake at work. 2. The doctor showed mercy by extending the treatment to save the patient's life. 3. She acted with mercy, helping those who were in need. 4. The king decided to show mercy to his captured enemies. 5. We all hope for mercy during difficult times in our lives. Real-life explanation. Mercy is about showing kindness or forgiveness, especially when someone may not deserve it. It's often used in the context of showing compassion toward others or deciding not to punish someone severely. It can also refer to the kindness shown by a higher power, like in religious or spiritual contexts.